The iPhone 16 lineup isn't even out yet, but that hasn't stopped rumors about the iPhone 17 from starting to surface. According to a new report, the iPhone 17, which will debut in the fall of 2025, could be equipped with Wi-Fi 7 technology. Wi-Fi 7 promises faster speeds, lower latency and more reliable connections compared to Wi-Fi 6E. It operates on the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands, offering a maximum data transfer speed of 46 gigabits per second, much faster than Wi-Fi 6E. With Wi-Fi 7, the iPhone 17 would be able to take advantage of new augmented reality and virtual reality experiences, as well as cloud-based gaming and other high-bandwidth applications. Wi-Fi 7 is still relatively new, but it is expected to become more widespread in 2024, with many routers and devices set to adopt the technology. Apple was relatively late in adopting Wi-Fi 6E, so it is possible that the company will wait to implement Wi-Fi 7 until the technology is more mature and widely available. However, if the iPhone 17 does feature Wi-Fi 7, it would be a significant upgrade over previous models and could offer a better user experience.